Hi, Dr. Brad Hannon here with another video in my Move, Eat, and Think series. Just going to teach you a few things today about stretching. So let's kind of start from the top. I like to stretch the upper trap sitting down. So have a seat, and what you're going to do is you're going to sit on your right hand. That's going to hold the shoulder and that musculature down as we lean our head to the opposite side. Use your free hand and just slightly put a little tension on that. Don't pull too hard, okay? All these stretches you want to hold for about 30 seconds and breathe during that process, okay? So of course you would go to the other side, sit on that hand, lean to the opposite side, gently pull. That's a great neck and upper trap stretch. Then let's go ahead and stretch the forearms. A lot of typing, these kind of things can get real tight, okay? We get a lot of grinding and snapping and popping in the wrist. So elbow straight, fingers up, elbow straight, fingers down. Again, hold it for about 30 seconds. Elbow straight, fingers up, elbow straight, fingers down. This is great for a micro break. You've been sitting there typing for about 30 minutes. Take a little break, loosen up those wrists and forearms. All right, so let's go ahead and work on the shoulders. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna take a towel, throw it over your shoulder just like you'd be drying your back maybe after a shower, and you're gonna pull down and allow that hand just to collapse behind your head, pull up, allow the other hand to follow up the spine, okay? You would switch the other side, pull down, hold it for 30 seconds, pull up, hold it for 30 seconds. Great way to just kind of loosen up the shoulders a little bit. So let's go ahead and work lower. Let's go and get into the hips. Again, I prefer to stretch some of the hips muscles with a sitting position. Cross your right foot, cross your left knee, push the knee down, lean forward with your belly button. That's a great stretch for that hip. Probably my favorite stretch. All right, same thing with the other side. Cross the foot, cross the knee, push down, lean forward. Breathe, do the best you can. All right, so let's go ahead and stand up. Let's go ahead and stretch the calf. Find something like a brick, or I'm gonna use this chair leg. Put your foot up on something like that, lean forward, get that good stretch in that calf, really helps, okay? A lot of women from wearing high heels all the time, they end up kind of real tight in that Achilles tendon. We need to stretch that out, all right? So let's go ahead and get down on the floor. I want to show you a hip flexor stretch. So maybe kind of lunge down, okay? Lean forward, push the knee out, get over the front, really open up that hip flexor. When we sit all day, commuting, using the computer so much, we get real tight in these hip flexors, okay? So of course you want to do the other side. Lunge down, keep that body upright, put the hands on the floor, push that knee out, and just kind of lean into that hip flexor stretch. You'll feel it all in through that hip flexor. All right, let's go ahead and get on our back. Now we're gonna go ahead and stretch some more of the glutes. Knee up towards one shoulder, 30 seconds. Knee towards the other shoulder, 30 seconds. Let that down. Left knee up towards the left shoulder, 30 seconds. Knee over towards the right shoulder, 30 seconds. And that's it. So obviously this was just some basic stretching. There's a lot more we can talk about, but we're just talking about just establishing a healthy foundation of just a few things that you can do and should be doing every day to take good care of your body. So when you're not feeling your best, think MET. Move, eat, and think. How am I moving? How am I thinking? What am I eating? And that'll steer you in the right direction. Thanks.